Hello everybody, this is Sean Michael with Excel2 Tech, and today I want to talk about the Drobo 5D3. We're going to talk about this baby right after this. As you guys know, I have been now upgrading my video equipment for quite some time, since the beginning of the year. I did, if you look at my first video for 2018 for this year, I give you a tour, and then I come to the laptop area here where I upgrade my laptop. I have the 2017 MacBook Pro 15-inch. I upgrade my hub. I have this hub here, and I got a video on that as well. I have the Beats headphones, and so I have the small Drobo Mini that I want to talk to you about, and I'm going to upgrade to this Drobo 5D3 on this. I bought this Drobo Mini here about 2 years ago. It has four 2.5-inch laptop hard drives, and these are 2 terabytes each. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8 terabytes all together that I have on this little Drobo Mini right here. So I wanted to upgrade. There's nothing wrong with this, but I wanted to upgrade it. I brought this Drobo 5D3 that we're going to open up. I have the MSATA 860 EVO from Samsung. It is a 250 gigabyte MSATA. I'm going to show you how that works down here. I have 2 drives. This is Western Digital Red Pro NAS hard drives. These are 4 terabytes, 128 megabytes of cache. But these, I got 4 slots here that I'm open, and I got 2 of these that I want to put in here on that. So let's get to open this up. I've always enjoyed Drobo. I've never had a problem from Drobo. And Drobo, to a certain extent, reminds me a little bit of like Apple, in that Apple, when they make their equipment, is very simple. None of this racking your brains out or anything to that extent. But the software's simple. It's not for the tinkering person type, and that's me. First thing we come on the box, is this box that says, "Welcome to the world of," and I take it, you're supposed to open it, and then it says Drobo. It's got a Drobo sticker and some more stuff. The service plan, which I've already got. I bought an additional plan to that. And in here has the power cord. Okay, so there's the power cord to that. The electric, and it even comes with a USB-C to USB Thunderbolt, because that has 80 megabits per second on that, so that'll be that. Okay, let's put that here. In here, gosh, I wish I could show you this. Let me see if I can flip this around here like this. In here, you got this big container, and it says Drobo right here. Okay, so let's see if we can take this out. Nice. Okay. And it's in this shopping bag. Thank you very much. It says Drobo on it. It's pretty good to put cables and stuff like that. Let's see if I can take this out very carefully. There, that's probably better. Okay. There's your Drobo machine. Okay. Very nice metal. Got a power here, on and off button. It's got the 12 volt USB and then 2 Thunderbolts here on this side. On the other side, it's got the plastic container where you're going to put your drives on. It's magnetic. Behind the door has color coding, so you'll know how the drives are doing. If they're doing well, they're not doing well, so forth, so on, all that good stuff on that. So that'll be kind of cool on that. That's typical of Drobo. It also has it over here. And then it has 5 slots. Okay. All you do is just insert your drives in there. That simple. It automatically formats it for you. It starts. Drobo has this cool system that starts to have redundancy. And what I like about Drobo is, and I'm just giving you layman because I'm not a geek here per se, but I just want to make sure that all my stuff is kept, that I'm not losing any of it. If one of my hard drives falls apart, then I'm taken care of. I got 5 slots. If I fill all 5 slots, then I know that one of these slots, one of these drives has the information. I just take it out, put in a new one. If a drive tears up or messes up or gets corrupt, I don't have to worry about it. I just pull that drive out, put in a new drive, and Drobo starts to reformat and starts moving all the information across however many drives I have in this regards. This is what I like about Drobo. I don't have to worry about losing data or any of that effect, okay? If you're into the tinkering and you got to know the precepts and all this good BS and all that, then Drobo's not for you. But if you just want security, you want simplicity, you want to be able to put a hard drive and you know that your information, your drives, if they get corrupt, you won't lose your information. Drobo's is your deal here. This is why I've used Drobo. I've used Drobo for the past, 2-3 years, and I have had absolutely no issues whatsoever. I want to go with a little more. I'm recording more videos. I'm doing more videos. My little girls have their own YouTube channels, and so they're starting to record more, and I'm starting to do a little bit more into video. And video takes up a lot of space, and you just want to make sure that it happens. And mind you, I haven't even started on the 4K yet, which we're talking about additional space required for 4K videoing and editing. Because I know absolutely nothing, but maybe 2-3 years from now, by that time 4K will be the norm and I'll be all into it. And so I'm already prepared for that. Let's put that MSATA that we're talking about here. Is that simple, and here it is. Okay, I do have an MSATA, I believe a 128 on my little Drobo Mini. I wanted to upgrade into a higher and a faster one for this one here. So let's see. Let's put this together. This is what it looks like. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to it snaps right in there like that. Door goes right in there, and we're done. We're ready to go. Okay. Now, Now we're ready to start plugging this into the laptop, and also getting ready to transfer information from my Drobo Mini into my big Drobo. All right, so I have the Drobo here. All right, and we're going to install it in here and transfer from my from my Drobo Mini into my old Drobo. So I don't need Safari anymore. Let's just quit. We're going to turn it on. Okay, so we have all the lights turning on here. Obviously, I don't have any hard drives in, so it's just going to say, hey, okay, yellow means add drive here soon. All right, so let's add drives here soon. Should go with the top one then. Now, the unique thing that I have failed to tell you on this, and I'm going to tell you now, is that this also has a battery built in. So in the event that I have a outage and battery goes out, this doesn't get, messed up. The battery kicks in. It's got a little battery built in, kicks in, and it runs your Drobo at minimal battery until you can address it. But that's another thing that I like about that. So that's something I'm looking forward to. And as you can see, it's running pretty well. Status, it's got 8 terabytes. It's got the MSATA. It's good life, 100%. Everything's good there. The drives, each of them are pretty good. The capacity, it says I've only used 165 gigabytes, which, that's using it for their own thing here. So what I'm going to do is I am going to start downloading. I will start with Excel2 Tech, 3 hours just for the Excel2 Tech. Guys, if you like these videos, give me some thumbs up. Comment below if you use a Drobo, either a Mini or a 5D3 or 5N. Let me know what kind of Drobo to use. And also, please subscribe. Your subscription means a lot to me. If you have already subscribed, let me just tell you how much I appreciate you. With that said, I'll see you around on the next video where I will take it to the next level.